Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is vanAmsen. Today we have a very interesting problem, faulty keywords, and it involves a typing scenario that you may not have come across before. So here's the situation. You have a laptop keyboard that's acting up, and every time you type character I, the string you have written so far gets reversed. But typing any character behave as expected. So given a string S, you type each character of S using this faulty keyboard. And your task is to return the final string that will appear on your laptop monitor. So if you are given the string, after typing the 4 character, the text str will be reversed. So let's write, for example, we have string, and if we type this our string, so str, will be reversed. So we will have rts, and then the next character will be ng, because this character is not typed, and those ng character are appended, and those are reversed. Okay, so now when we understand the task, let's dive into implementation. So we'll try to solve it in Python, but don't worry if you are not Python user. I will provide in the description code in other languages like Go, Rust, C++, or JavaScript. And in Python, we define function find string, which take a string S as input. And we then iterate over each character in our string. And if the character is I, we reverse the current string stored in the result. And if the character is not I, we append the character to result. And the function then return a result, which is the final string that we will appear on our laptop screen. So let's implement it. So result will be empty, and for char in S, if char equals I, result will be result reverse else result plus character, and finally return result. Simple implementation. Let's run it to verify everything's work. So yeah, all working. So our code work as expected. So let's run it for unseen test cases as well. Okay, so first run, we beat 100% of runtime, so all good. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found this video insightful, and remember, coding is not just about learning a language or a tool, it's about problem solving. So have fun, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more coding content and tutorials. And if you have any question, feel free to post a comment, and keep practicing. Happy coding, and see you next time.